This is how I'm setting up a minion method in the Weber Smoky Mountain to smoke some beef. So I got my basket full of charcoal, not super packed because I only need this for about 8 hours. Got my fire starter right there. Today I'm using B&B mesquite lump charcoal mixed with the mesquite chunks. Last time I did this flavor combo with brisket, it was kick-ass. So let's try it again. The idea of the minion method is to light the fire in one spot and have it burn slowly all across your charcoal bed. This is my first long cook on the Weber Smoky Mountain. So let's get started. And this is where I'm sitting, low and slow,